manufacturing in the UK continues to grow. Cable supply and demand is growing with it. As such, this is resulting in increased levels of cable scrap going to landfill. Landfill sites are a problem for our environment as a major pollution source, and they are one of the major producers of greenhouse gases to date. IGUS UK is a certified ISO 14001 company, and therefore we responsibly recycle our cable waste to prevent this. In 2022, we realised that it takes time to set these processes up, so we are working with local UK businesses to help them recycle their waste while they get sustainable processes set up. The revenue generated by this cable recycling programme is being used to support the ongoing need to plant and nurture life-giving trees across the United Kingdom, planting thousands of essential trees in the process. If you are looking to improve your own recycling processes or simply want to be part of this programme, then please get in touch below, and today let's make a difference together.